Konnichiwa Senpai! Welcome back to my channel. So our topic for today is all about how to read and write katakana alphabet. So hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa because mahaba na naman tong video na to. So in order for me to show you kung paano magsulat at magbasa ng katakana alphabet, I will proceed to my virtual board para may pakita yun sa inyo. Konnichiwa, Senpai Tachi. Our first topic was Hiragana alphabet. Now, we are going to learn about Katakana alphabet. So, just a little bit of insight about this topic. Katakana, same as Hiragana, is a phonetic lettering system. Each letter of the Katakana alphabet represents the sound of a syllable, which is exactly same sound as Hiragana. Katakana is usually used for foreign words. For example, party. In katakana, it is pronounced as pati. Part-time, arubaito. Apartment is mansion in Japanese. Game is gemu. Class, kurasu. Video, coffee, kohi. Milk, miruku. Now we have here the katakana table. So we have the gojuong. These are the gojuong, or the 50 sounds, which is composed of 46 letters. So we have the dakuong. These are the dakuong, handakuong, and the yoong. So these parts are already explained on my first video. So, dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nung video na to, you can watch that first. It would be easier for you to understand kung papanoorin nyo muna yon. And then, mas mapapadali din yung inyong pag-memorize ng Hiragana and Katakana alphabet if you know the parts of this alphabet. So, now we're going to proceed to the batch by batch of this katakana alphabet. So we are going to start with the vowels. So first we have the a, i, u, e, o. So we start with the letter A or a. So as you can see, we have numbers that would determine kung ano yun yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng pagsulat ng per letter or character ng katakana. So we have here number 1. So we have to start, sabi ko nga dun sa hiragana video ko, we have to start from left to right and from up to ba. So we have to start here on the right, sa left, then bababa, then number 2, yan. So dito kasi, as you can see, meron siyang space. So ang pagsulat talaga ng letter A is wala siyang space. Kailangan talaga siya ng magkadikit sila. So 1 and 2, ganyan siya. Next, we have I or E. So we have to start from the top, baba, 1, ganon din sa 2, 2. Next, we have U or U. We have to start from here, 1, number 2 naman sa taas, 2, 3. Next. Mas mapapadali kasi yung pag-memorize nyo nung letters or nung characters kapag sinusunod nyo yung tamang pag-susulat nung per character. So, ako talaga nire-recommend ko talaga na mas pag-aralan nyo yung tamang pagsusulat ng per letter or ng character. So, letter E is sa taas 1, sa baba 2, 3, E. Next, we have O. 1, 2, 3. Next batch, we have the Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Now, pagsulat niya is dito from sa gitna, then pababa. So, wala siyang tigil. Kailangan is dire-diretso siya. So, 1. Pero makanto siya 2. Ganyan sa taas, bababa. Next, we have ki. So, 1, 2, 3. Para ka nag-barbecue. Next, we have ku. 1, 2. Ke. 1, 2, 3. Ko. 1, 2. Next is sa, shi, su, se, so. We have sa gitna. 1, 2, 3. Next, she. 1, 2, 3. Para siyang smiley, di ba? Next, we have su. 1, 2. Next is se. 1, 2. Next is so. 1, then galing sa taas, baba, so. Next, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. We have the ta, 1, 2, and 3. Dapat tatandaan nyo yung mga parts na kung kailan siya dire-diretso lang at kung saan siya may titigil. Next is chi. 1, 2, 3. We have tsu. 1, 2, and 3. Next is te. 1, 2, 3. Next is to. 1, 2. Next, we have na, ni, nu, ne, no. For na, 1, 2. It's just like a cross, pero yung pababa niya is may konting slant pagdating sa baba. Next, we have ni, 2 lines, 1, 2. Next is nu. Next, we have ne. 3, 4. We have no. Pinaka-simple. So, 1. Yan. Next, batch is ha, hi, fu, he, ho. So, for ha, dalawang lines lang. 1, 2. Hi, from the, galing sa gitna. Galing sa gitna, taas. Then, 2. Fu, so isa lang siya, dara-diretso lang. Next, he, ganun din sa he. Same siya nang sa hiragana, diba? Kung mapapansin niyo. So, next is ho. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next batch, we have ma, mi, mu, me, mo. So, ma, 1, 2. Mi, 3 lines. Na pababa. 1, 2, 3. Mu, 2 lines. 1, 2. Me, 1, 2. So, next is mo. 1, 2, 3. Next batch is the ya, you, yo. For ya, 1, 2. You, 1, 2. Yo, 1, 2, 3. Next batch is ra, riru, rero. So, for ra, 1, 2. Ri, same as in sa hiragana. Ri, 2. Ru, 1, 2. Re, 1. Ro, so, patayo mo na. Higa, saka siya i-close. 3. Last batch, we have the wa, wu, N. So sa wa, 1, 2. Svo, 1, 2, 3. Next is N, 1, 2. So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon para ma-notify kayo every time na may bago akong uploads. Ganbate ko dasai senpai, mata ne!